Okay, so Bond. We've got 3 levels of this: easy, medium, and hard. And for the easiest version, we're going to be playing mostly on the offbeat. So if we think about the offbeat is always 1 and 2 and. It's always in between the whole numbers. So 1 and would be the offbeat. We've got 2 little things we need to work out. The first one is something called harmonics. And to play a harmonic on the guitar, there's a few spots you can play it, but for this one, and this is the strongest harmonic, we're going to play at the 12th fret. So what that means is, to play a harmonic, we find the 12th fret, and we actually have to play on top of the wire, not between the 2 fret wires, but on top of the wire to make a harmonic. And we rest our fingers. Now we don't push down, we just rest them so they're just lightly touching the strings. And what we're going to do is we're going to play the G, B, and E strings, so the last 3 strings, like this. And we get a harp type sound. Now if you play it and then remove your fingers like this, it rings for a bit longer. So if we were going to play this for the song, it'd be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and. And that's the sound we want for this song. So that's pretty much most of the song. It's just doing those harmonics on the off beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other move is we're still playing the off beat, but we're going to play an E minor chord. So now we're playing E minor, and it's going to be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's kind of the same thing, but now we're just playing an E minor chord. Now this is the challenging part for the beginners. Halfway through our bridge section, which is where we play the E minor chord, it's going to go like this: 1 and down up. So it's a down up stroke. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that'll take a little bit of practice to get used to. In the middle of that, I'm hitting a hit on the string. So it's 1, 2 with a hit, 3 with a hit, 4 with a hit. But all the strums are still happening on the and the and. So and 1 and hit and hit and hit. The last part of the easy part of Bond is the very final part. So the other guitarists will be doing this move. And at the very end, there'll be one more. You're going to play an E minor chord, but you're going to play it backwards like this. And that's the end of the song. There'll be a demo that you can play along with. You'll see each of the different guitar parts on the screen divided into 4. So if you just choose your guitar part and try and play along with the song, that is great practice.